primary 6 students. Today it's a time to wrap up everything and say goodbye. But before that, from so long, I wanted to share so many things with you all that when I first came into your class, I was not hoping that we will come that far. But Alhamdulillah, we dared, we learned so many things together, and I will must say that we have made so many colorful learning memories which we all are going to cherish forever. And it's my turn to say thank you to you all, that for the respect, for the warmth, for the affection which you show towards me. So thank you. And the learning which we share together this whole year, I know you are going to make the best out of it. And when I was teaching you all, it was not like that I was just teaching you all, I was learning along with you all. But the best part is that, which I observed to the whole year, that you all transform yourself into such self-disciplined people. And uh, and the way I saw you all, your learning growth, and the way you have changed from the day one to the last day. So, and you all inspire me a lot. Trust me, you all inspire me a lot. And I'm really proud to be your teacher. I really enjoy teaching you all. I know sometimes some things, sometimes some things really hard for you, but you never give up, and that is the best quality of you all, that you never let your teacher to give up on you. So, best of luck, and I can say that I'm having a little bit part of you all, which will always be with me, and. And always strive to be the best, because you can do the best. And I know with your new class you are going to fly high. It was really fun to make the impossible things possible, making so many maths moment together. And I know in future you are going to do great job, inshallah. And don't worry about the future. Just do your best and leave the rest on Allah's hand. You all are doing amazing job up till now, and I know you all will be consistent with your good job. So it's time to say goodbye to you all. It was really wonderful time to where you need any kind of help. I'm always there for you all. There are so many huge possibilities are waiting for you all. So don't give up, keep learning no matter what's going on. Just keep learning, just keep going with the flow. Just keep inspiring to the people around you, and the way you inspire all of us. And I will must say that it's wonderful to be your teacher, and to be the teacher of such intellectual or such fabulous kids. Thank you and goodbye, everyone. Take care.